everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in the LTZ trim. With just over 56,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. It is 4-wheel drive. It does have a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. In the front, you will find this Silverado well equipped with your paint match front grille, black badging and Z71 badging. You also have high intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have an 18-inch high gloss black alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new set of Goodyear tires. We'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards, keyless entry, and turn signal indicators integrated into the back of your glass. Looking inside, you'll be met with a jet black theme with nice elements such as leather, off-white stitching, touch of chrome and some brushed aluminum, almost carbon fiber-like material here. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this Silverado. Of course, you do have your powered sunroof as well. In addition, you do have a rear sliding glass. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated front seats. Leather upholstered here, nice black leather, thick bolsters here on the side, very comfortable. And you also have power adjustments on the passenger and the driver's side. Located inside the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see the front tires are 9/32 and the rears are 10s. Brake pads are good to go along with everything else. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space and they'll enjoy nice features like storage, 12-volt charging, storage on either side of the passenger and driver's seat. And it looks like we have a fold-down armrest and cup holder as well. And of course, you'll have power windows. Making our way around to the 5.5-foot bed, you will notice this Silverado is equipped with your spray-in bed liner, rear camera, rear proximity sensors, and all of your towing equipment, including your hitch receiver and 4- and 7-pin wiring. And you also have your rear integrated steps. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as child safety locks, powered windows and door locks, power adjustable mirrors and power folding mirrors, and you will have memory seating as you can set up the 2 profiles. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have your integrated trailer brake control with your gain controls, followed up with your 4-wheel drive selector, brightness and dimming controls for your interior lighting and your center cluster, and you also have a general lamp selector as well. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. And we'll go ahead and demonstrate the remote start. Hit the lock button once, hold that in for 3 seconds. And that will run for about 10 minutes, and as a safety measure, it will shut back off. To cancel that, you can just hit that. Let's go ahead and unlock and check out the driver area. Upon startup, you can see, let's go ahead and dismiss that, just over 56,000 miles on those 2017 Silverado. As you can see, it is equipped with your Z71 backing here on the cluster, part of the Z71 off-road package in this trim. To the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control, and you also have a selector for your center screen, and you can pair your phone via Bluetooth to be hands-free, and that includes smartphone integration like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Your shifters up above here with your tow haul mode with your manual select right there. And bringing our attention to our center display and infotainment system. You do have OnStar navigation. You can pay for that, but it does not come with onboard navigation. You can pair your phone, you can read your text. That projection app is your smartphone integration. Like I said before, your smartphone integration is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And it does come equipped with your rear camera with your towing lines there, as you can see. Down below, you have some more simple radio controls, followed up with a CD player, dual automatic climate control, super convenient. And on either side, you'll have heated front seats with 2 heating options. Down below, you'll have options for your traction control off, cargo lights, proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off, and you have a downhill descent control as well. Looking in the middle of the console, you will have 2 USBs, 2 12 volts, and a 110. Followed up with a lot of neat storage here. This does come out and you can adjust where you'd like to set that. It does come out for cleaning as well. And you'll be met with a nice large center console as well with more USBs and auxiliary for alternative audio, more removable trays for cleaning. And if we take a look up top, you will have your auto dimming rearview mirror with your OnStar services, bright LED map lights, and of course you do have your options for your powered sunroof and your rear sliding glass. And under the hood, you will have a very capable 5.3 liter V8 engine. As you can see, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. Guys, along with that multiple inspection report, the Silverado has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Z71. Keep in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. This is a very helpful resource. If you are watching from further away, we appreciate you watching. So before you make the trip to the dealership, this portion of the video is for you. Up front here, you will have some small blemishes here, some touch-up spots here, right above your passenger side headlight, some scuffs here on the hood, some more touch-up spots here. So not perfect up front here, but I did want to mention your headlights are nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. Fog lights are nice and clear, and you will have some nicks and scratches here on the front bumper. See a blemish here. And that again is on the passenger side headlight. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on those wheels. So nice and clean. Got a two-tone, almost, well, mixed material here. You have your vinyl or your hard plastic, and then you have your paint match mirror cap. As you can see, it does have some minor cosmetic blemishes. Z71 off-road badging looks good. Fixed running boards are good, no chipping or peeling. Behind the passenger door handle, slight scuffs, but not bad. Taking a look on the inside, you are going to have some discoloration here on your leather armrest. Again, not perfect here. You're going to have some scuffs around the speaker. Chrome trim looks good though. Brushed aluminum trim, everything looks good. All the way up to our headliner, no rip stains or tears, and no odors in this truck, guys, not smoked in. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Moving on to the back seat, leather seats are in good shape here, just like the front. No rip stains, tears, or anything like that. All weather floor mats are in good shape. No scuffs on the back of the seats, and your headliner is nice and clear, no rips or stains. You are going to have some discoloration here happening on the trim piece on top of the bed rail, as you can see. And you are going to have some blemishes here by the passenger side tail light, but your tail lights are nice and clean, no cracks, no condensation. All your chrome badging and your bow tie are in good shape. Slight scuffs here on the tailgate. Coming up the driver's side here, you are going to have a blemish here. Otherwise, your bed rail looks good, no fading, no discoloration. A few more touch-up spots here, as you can see. So not perfect here. We like to be upfront and transparent here at All Things Automotive. Behind the driver door handle, no scuffs. You have a scuff here, or actually it's a larger scratch here on the driver door mirror cap, as you can see. I did want to mention here on the driver's seat, on the left side bolster, you will have a tear in that leather and some stress marks here, as you can see. A little bit of discoloration here on the door card, and then some of that coating on the driver door handle is coming off. So if you have any questions on this 2017 Silverado, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, where you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes of your time. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Just in recap, we got done taking a look at our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This is the 1500 5.3 liter V8 engine, okay, 4-wheel drive, of course, crew cab with the LTZ trim, complete with heated seats, leather upholstery, sunroof, and powered rear sliding glass. So again, my name's Trent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you. Please like and subscribe.